In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Kit. We're going to walk through the process from the moment you log in all the way to publishing your page and getting a shareable link. By the end, you'll have a live landing page that's ready to collect leads or drive traffic wherever you need. First, once you're inside Kit, look for the main navigation and head to the section labeled Grow. This is where all of your marketing and audience building tools live. In the Grow area, find and click on Landing Pages and Forms. This is your central hub for anything related to standalone pages and opt-in forms. On this screen, you'll see an option to create new. Go ahead and click that to start building something from scratch. Next, Kit will ask you what kind of asset you want to create. Here, you'll want to choose Landing Page. This tells Kit that you're building a full page, not just an embedded form or any other type of element. Once you've selected Landing Page, you'll be taken to a gallery of templates. Now it's time to choose the starting design. You'll see a variety of layouts in the template gallery, often tailored for different goals like lead capture, event promotion, or simple product highlights. Take a moment to scroll through and preview a few options. When you find a layout that feels close to what you need, click Choose. Remember, you're not locked into the exact content or imagery you see here. This is just your starting framework. After choosing a template, you'll be taken into the editor. This is where you customize the landing page so it matches your brand and message. Click on any text block to update headlines, body copy, or calls to action. Try to keep your main headline clear and benefit-focused so visitors immediately understand what they're getting. You can also swap out images by selecting them and uploading your own files. In the sidebar, you'll find options to change colors, fonts, and other styling so the page aligns with your brand. Take a few minutes to scan through every section of the page, making sure the content, links, and buttons all make sense for your offer. When you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to make it live. First, click Save to make sure all your changes are stored. Then click Publish. Once it's published, Kit will generate a hosted URL for your landing page. You can copy this link and share it in emails, social posts, ads, or anywhere else you're sending traffic. And that's the full process for creating a landing page in Kit from start to publish.